Alright guys, welcome to hopefully another unboxing, or we'll start off with an unparceling. That could lead to an unboxing. We just don't know yet. At this point, we just don't know. Ooh, look at this, look at this. What is it? I have no idea. It looks cool though. It's some kind of audio hat made in China. It says Wavesshare since 2006. Let's see what else we got around the package. See if we can make it clearer. Oh, it looks pretty cool. Some kind, there we go, some kind of QR code, because everything has a QR code these days. Alright, we'll dive into a package and see what we can see. Not bad. Two little things here. And we're going to open them up in the next one to see exactly what we're dealing with here.
Likey.